What I love about being a dentist is just getting to treat patients and, getting to change lives.
I always knew I liked working with my hands and I'm very detail oriented, so I've always wanted to find a career that I can use that skill of mine.
Seeing how much of an impact, dentistry makes in people's life is what kind of drew me into it. And after consistently shadowing and volunteering for a few years, that's when I decided to go into dentistry.
I'm Dr. Amanda Estrada.
I'm Dr. Michelle Truong.
My name's Yafet Zamatun, but I go by Dr. Z, and I'm one of the general dentists here at Abbeville Dentistry.
So yeah, me and Dr. Truong and Dr. Z, we went to school together, and it's nice because we were trained very similarly. And so I feel like we have a lot of similar experiences and definitely a similar knowledge base. And so whenever we discuss, questions or anything with each other, we are able to really help each other out. But the great thing about working here is you're never really alone. And I've called Dr. Cater many times in the middle of a work day to ask a question, and I text around a lot of the doctors that I've met asking questions as well, and that's a nice thing. I know a lot of people don't have that, so I feel lucky in that way. I mean, it feels good to be supported. We talk to a lot of our classmates, and I just know they don't have that the same way that we do.
MDP has the Top Docs program for their first year associates, and it's basically covering important skills like oral surgery, ortho, cosmetic dentistry. They invest a lot in you so that you could grow and do more as a general provider. And also they offer a lot of clinical autonomy, which is unheard of. And with that, you're able to basically do whatever you want to do without somebody else kind of dictating how you should treatment plan and stuff. And that's very important.
I love the environment and I love that they were willing to help me, especially as a new grad. And then now that I started working here, it's great having my colleagues because I feel like that helped me feel a lot more comfortable starting off as a new grad. So the culture here in this practice, I feel like it's very focused on team bonding. I feel like all of us work very well and we really focus on the flow of stuff. I was honestly blessed to get this job as my first job because I feel like everything has been smooth. And even if I have an issue or a concern, I feel like it all gets resolved. So far, I feel like it's kind of blown me out of the waters.